What's up, nigga?
Shit, nigga, what's up?
On that motherfucking CPT time and shit.
Man, you know.
Yeah.
I do. What's up, man? What's up?
Alright, alright.
My nigga Tone G in this bitch.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Word up.
Listening to that fat ass track. We about to lay this motherfucking track right here.
Yeah.
Coming at you.
Killing
You know what I'm saying?
Quick, you know what I'm saying?
For
Nigga,
sure,
niggas out
for
there.
sure.
Just
Hey.
right now, nigga out there, you know what I'm saying?
Peep this out. You tight, you know what I'm saying? You gonna be the first man out on Umbrella and shit. You know, we cool like that. Tell me a little bit about yourself and about, you know, the Panhandle.
Well, the Panhandle, man, is Panhandle of Florida, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like Panama City up around my area, you know what I'm saying? Like that, that's where I'm from Panama City, Florida. In case any of y'all niggas wanna know. Huge ass city, small town.
But it's all good, you know what I'm saying? Cause niggas is catching hell all over, you know what I mean?
That's right, that's what make niggas feel.
You know what I mean? You just gotta be who you are, you know what I'm saying? Stop trying to be somebody else, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you know, I'm saying niggas in the field everywhere. Just cause you know you in your field and I'm in my field, but I'm still going through the same thing you going through. So I'm gonna make you feel no matter what. I'm gonna make you rock. You know what I'm saying? I bust my shit, I lay it down, I represent, I do my thing.
Yeah.
You know, I flow. You know, like, I make you feel me. You know what I'm saying? That's my whole point. That's my whole thing. You know, in this music business, man, I want other niggas to feel me. And if I can make niggas feel me and at the same time bob their head and be like, I feel you, nigga. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm about right there.
Nigga, what? Get it, boy. Get it, boy.
I'm just saying that's a hobby. I got it tight like that, nigga.
Hey, man. Yeah. Like Fonzo, the motherfucker that did these tracks and shit. Tell us about Fonzo.
A nigga Fonzo, DJ Fonzo. Y'all
one
niggas
up,
from ATL.
nigga.
They gonna remember this when I say DJ Fonzo. Chicken, chicken. East Point. Chicken, chicken. Don't act like y'all don't remember my dog.